Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch. It's very easy. It's unbelievable easy. Yeah, all you need to do is single crochet and do double crochet, but there are some techniques to create the stitch. This is the back. It gives you a 3D look when you look at it. Basket weave, weave stitch. Yeah, I'm gonna call this the weave stitch because it's done between. Yeah, there are still holes, but the fabric is thick, just to show you. Okay, you can make anything with this. I am thinking of making a poncho actually. The yarn that I use is the 4-weight. Okay, and here is the yarn that I'm going to do the tutorial. Hobby Lobby Yarn Bee, soft and sleek, low pill. Here's the colorway. It says brownie. You try to pull it from the inside, but nothing's coming out. And the tag is pretty thick. It kind of hurt my hand here, so let me just pull it from the inside. And yeah, I like those pull-outs that are the ones that are easy to pull it out. So let me just pull it from here. Yeah, I tried to remove the tag, but it's thick. Okay, let's see. Okay, unfortunately, yeah. Okay, I don't know what this is. Can you see? Looks like the outside went into the inside. I don't know how they do these yarns, and they're expensive. Like, this is how much in the USA, and if you're lucky, you get a 30% off, I think, for odd weeks. And I live in Canada. This cost me 10 Canadian dollar. So to bring it here, you know, it's not cheap. It's not cheap wool, but the quality is just fantastic. That's the reason I bought these way back when COVID hit. Okay, sorry about this. Okay, here we go. It's gonna tangle. So what you need to do is, here the recommending crochet hook, it's saying a 6mm, which this is like thick. It says it's a 4-weight, but just to point, doesn't even say it's a 4-weight. Yeah, but yeah, it is a 4-weight, the way it looks, right? So what you need to do is you need to chain multiple of 2, and here I did 32, I believe. Okay, and yeah, so let's get started on how to crochet this. Here we go. 1, 2. I'm not going to do 32. Like I said, I want to make a poncho. I have 3 of this yarn, and it's not going to be enough. Yeah, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do 22. Okay. And then the first row is just a single crochet. So that's all you can do. Or you can do a foundation of single crochet. Either way would work. I haven't been doing that technique for a while now. Lately I've been making ponchos. Use up lots of yarn for sure. And I need to find yarn that I have in my stash, enough yarn to crochet this. So stay tuned for the poncho. I just wanted to show you the stitch before I do the poncho tutorial. And most of my poncho tutorials are starting with 84 chain. And you do 2 increases, so you can make any stitch a poncho. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a certain stitch. I do have another stitch, cluster stitch. I would like to do the tutorial first. All right, so that one's an easy one too. I wanted to do the poncho tutorial, but I thought, you know, I get lots of weird comments. I don't even post them. I delete them. Like, I'm already explaining and showing how it's done, and they want more details. I don't know. I really don't know. I've been doing a tutorial since 2009, and the more a year passes by, the weird comments I get. Well, that's the reason we're doing the tutorial, so you can see it, right? If I'm missing one point, you can see what I'm doing. And this is a trial. Like, most of my tutorials are, I sit down and I do the tutorial. I do it in front of you, so I don't do samples after samples. Okay, let me just continue. I don't want you to get bored with my explanation. Okay, so let's go ahead. You can skip this. I know it's been 7 minutes. There's another good one. I'm going to complain about that. So on the first stitch, we're going to do a single crochet. Okay. And on the second, we're going to skip 1, 2, and on the bottom, right here on the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to make a double crochet. Forgot to do the chain 1. Don't forget to chain 1. Sorry about that. And then right on the bottom, we're going to make a double crochet. So try to pull, not a double crochet, half double crochet. Okay, and then we're going to chain 1 and try to pull that while you're at it. So 1, 2, on the second, on the lower, on the chain, on the, just right here where we did the single crochet, not here, but on the bottom, below, we do a half double crochet, and we will pull it at once and try to make this tall. Chain 1, and then we repeat this. This row is only done this. The first row we did the single crochet to create the foundation. And yeah, other than that, this is all to it for this row. This is all. So this is the first row of the stitch. Just like this. Chain 1, and then go. Chain 1. Bottom. That's how we create this this tall. Can you see? Doesn't even look like a half double crochet when you look at it first. Chain 1. Chain 1. And then right here, we're going to do a single crochet. So the first and the second is a single crochet. Okay, we're going to chain 1, and then you will notice this is how it looks like, and this is the back. You will create this fabric when we're doing this method. Okay, turn your work, and this row is done single crochets. So come here, make a single crochet. Okay, but the way we're doing the second single crochet is, so we don't do chains on this row. So right here, we grab this loop, and then we do a single crochet. Okay, we kind of twist it. See? And then go to the next one. Make a single crochet, and then come here to the bottom, and then make a single crochet. So this is a single crochet row, but we don't do single crochets on each. then the stitches would be increasing, right? So here's a trick that we kind of twist this. Can you see? Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. So we repeat this all the way to the end. This is the second row. You hold it like this. You can hold it like this, either way, whichever you feel comfortable. And then we make one single crochet here, and then we make single crochet on the one chain that we did. We do our one chain and we turn around, and automatically we make our single crochet. So we're going to be doing the same thing what we did, okay, just like this, how we did it. Just wanted to show you on the sample right here. Can you see? Oh, let me just show it to you one more time. So we're right here. Can you see? So we made one single crochet. So we made our single crochet right here. So right here, what we're going to do is on the bottom again. So pull it at once. Okay. I forgot to do the chain. That's when we do the chain one. That's where we do the single crochet on the next row. Okay. Don't forget that. Pull it at once. Chain one. So we did it on this hole right here, the first one. Chain one, and then we repeat this. So we do the single, not the single, the half double crochet. We do it on the hole. See? So we did our single crochet and we made our half double crochet, and we continue doing the same thing over and over. I hope you're not getting confused. It's so easy, and automatically it creates this this design, and I think it's brilliant. Okay, so we're gonna make one here, and then I'm not gonna do we'll do the chain, and then right where we did the chain, when we did our turnaround, we make our single crochet, we chain right away, and then what we do is right where we did the chain, we make a single crochet, and we're done. That's how we do it. And now we're going to repeat what we did on the second row. On the second row, what we did is there's no chains in this row, so we come here and then we make our single crochet, and on that chain where we did the one chain, we make a single crochet. So this row is the second row is the repeat, just like this. You can make scarves. I'm planning to make a poncho. I just need to find a lot of yarn in my stash. The yarn that I have, same color lot. Okay, after finishing, let me show you how to do single crochet here, and then single crochet right onto that one chain. So turn around, one chain, and then make your single crochet. And then we go to the hole, which is right on the bottom, and we repeat what we did. Chain one, right into that hole. That's all we do. And then you will see this beautiful design, this zigzag, this, not zigzag, what you call it. It's changing. So we did the half double crochet here. On the next row, we do it here. And then it automatically just goes on like this, on and on. So this is just a short, easy tutorial. I just wanted to come up and show you this stitch. And like I said, I'm planning to make a poncho, so stay tuned for that. I don't know when. I need to finish a couple of whips. And yeah, this is all to it. See how fast it goes. Right here where the chain is. Chain one, turn around, make your chain. Just like this. See how it looks? And then you make single crochets. Just like this. It's really nice and relaxing stitch, and it's mindless. You don't have to count anything. So this is how you crochet this stitch. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye. Oops. Let me hold the brown one. I really like these yarns, Hobby Lobby. It's fun to crochet with.